Ever wondered why humans have such a diverse range of skin colors? Is it just a mere coincidence, or is there a deeper scientific explanation behind it? Our world is a fascinating tapestry of human complexions, a vibrant array of hues from the lightest creams to the deepest browns. But it's not just about being black or white. Skin color is a complex spectrum, a beautiful palette shaped by a myriad of factors. Think of it as a masterpiece of evolution and adaptation, a testament to our species' journey across centuries and continents. It's a story written in our genes, reflected in the various shades of our skin. From the sun-soaked equator to the frosty poles, skin color varies dramatically, painting a vivid picture of our shared history and our diverse present. So, why do some people have lighter skin while others have darker skin? The answer lies in our genes and the environment. The color of our skin is determined by a pigment called melanin, produced by cells in our skin called melanocytes. But what exactly is melanin, and how does it work? Think of melanin as a kind of natural sunscreen. It's a dark pigment that absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun and protects the deeper layers of our skin. Within our skin we have these tiny factories known as melanocytes. They are responsible for producing melanin. When our skin is exposed to the sun, these melanocytes kick into gear, producing more melanin to shield our skin from UV radiation. The result? You get a tan. But here's where things get even more fascinating. We all have roughly the same number of melanocytes, regardless of our skin color. What varies is the amount and type of melanin these melanocytes produce. People with darker skin produce more melanin and a different type of melanin than those with lighter skin. This difference isn't just cosmetic. It's a survival mechanism, honed by thousands of years of human evolution. In regions closer to the equator, where the sun's rays are strongest, our ancestors needed more melanin to protect their skin. Hence, they developed darker skin. Conversely, in regions farther from the equator, where sunlight is less intense, our ancestors needed less melanin, which resulted in lighter skin. It's important to note that this process doesn't happen overnight. It takes many generations for such changes to occur. And even today our skin color continues to evolve, influenced by a variety of factors including migration, intermarriage, and changes in our environment. In essence, the amount and type of melanin your body produces determines the color of your skin. But remember, skin color is just one small part of the amazing diversity that makes us human. It's a testament to our shared heritage and our ability to adapt to different environments, and that's something to celebrate. But why do different populations have different amounts of melanin? The answer lies in our ancestors' adaptation to their environment. As we journey back in time, we find our ancestors in various parts of the globe, each adapting to their unique environments. One of the most critical factors influencing these adaptations was sunlight. And here's where the story of skin color begins. Picture this: our ancestors living closer to the equator, where the sunlight is more intense. Over time, they developed darker skin. But why, you may ask? Well, the increased melanin in darker skin acts like a natural sunscreen, providing a shield against the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. This radiation can damage the body's folate reserves, a nutrient essential for healthy pregnancies and child development. So having darker skin was a survival advantage in these high sunlight regions. Now, let's travel away from the equator, where sunlight is less intense. Here, our ancestors developed lighter skin. This lighter skin allowed more sunlight to penetrate, helping the body produce enough vitamin D, a crucial nutrient that we get primarily from the sun. In these regions, having lighter skin was an advantage, preventing diseases like rickets caused by vitamin D deficiency. So, the amount of sunlight in a particular region played a significant role in shaping our ancestors' skin color. But it wasn't a one-time event. It was a slow, gradual process, spanning thousands of years. As populations moved and mixed, different skin tones emerged, creating the beautiful spectrum of skin colors we see today. And it didn't stop there. These adaptations continued to become more common in certain populations due to a process called natural selection, where traits that help an organism survive and reproduce become more common over generations. And that, my friends, is the fascinating story of evolution and skin color. It's a tale of survival, adaptation, and the incredible power of nature to shape our physical traits based on our environment. Over generations, these adaptations became more common in certain populations, leading to the skin color diversity we see today. So, why do people in the United States often have lighter skin compared to other regions? Well, to understand this, we need to delve into the fascinating history of human migration. The United States, as we know it today, is a relatively young country, with a rich and diverse cultural heritage. This diversity is a direct result of centuries of migration from various parts of the globe. Now imagine a grand tapestry, woven from countless threads, each representing a different group of people. These threads, colored by the unique ethnic backgrounds of the migrants, intertwine to form the vibrant fabric of American society. And just as these threads bring their distinct colors to the tapestry, they also bring their unique skin colors to the genetic pool of the United States. Let's start with the indigenous peoples, the original inhabitants of the continent. Their skin tones range from light to dark, influenced by their geographical location and the intensity of the sun. Then came the Europeans, primarily from the north, bringing with them lighter skin tones, a characteristic developed over generations to maximize vitamin D absorption in regions with less sunlight. Next, we have the significant influence of African heritage, a result of the transatlantic slave trade. People of African descent have a wide range of skin tones, from light to dark, adding another layer of complexity to the American skin color spectrum. In more recent centuries, we've seen waves of immigration from Asia, Latin America, and the Middle East. Each group, with their unique skin tones, further diversifies the genetic makeup of the American population. And let's not forget, the United States is a land of integration and intermarriage. This blending of cultures and ethnicities over generations has resulted in a wide array of skin tones among its citizens. So, when we talk about skin color in the United States, it's not a matter of white or black, but rather a spectrum of beautiful hues, each telling a unique story of ancestry and migration. The United States, being a melting pot of cultures, exhibits a wide range of skin colors influenced by the genetic makeup of its diverse population. Scene script. Skin color is just one of the many ways humans differ from each other, and it's a testament to our species' adaptability and resilience. Diversity is a stunning tapestry woven from the threads of human existence. It's the myriad of cultures, languages, traditions, and yes, skin colors that paint our world in vibrant hues of uniqueness and individuality. Each shade, each tone, is a beautiful testament to our shared human history. It's a story written in our genes, a tale told by our DNA. Our skin color is a fascinating aspect of our diversity. It's an adaptation developed over countless generations, shaped by the sun's rays, geographical location, and the journey of our ancestors. But let's not forget, it's just one aspect of who we are. It's a part of our identity, but it isn't the entirety of it. The beauty of diversity lies not just in the visible differences, but also in the invisible ones. The diversity of thoughts, ideas, perspectives, and experiences. It's in the way we think, the way we feel, the way we perceive the world around us. It's in our actions, our decisions, our dreams, and our aspirations. Discrimination based on skin color is a distortion of this beauty. It's a narrow lens that obscures the richness and depth of human diversity. It's a detour from the path of understanding and acceptance. It's a denial of our shared humanity. So let's celebrate diversity in all its forms. Let's embrace the array of skin colors as the beautiful spectrum that it is. Let's appreciate each shade and tone for what it truly represents: a story of survival, adaptation, and resilience. Let's strive to see beyond the surface, to understand and value the person beneath the skin color. Let's remember that our differences are what make us unique, but it's our shared humanity that binds us together. Remember, the color of our skin is a beautiful testament to our shared human history and the journey of our ancestors. It's a story written in our genes, and one that continues to unfold. So, the next time you marvel at the diversity of human skin color, remember the science and history behind it. As we've journeyed through the spectrum of skin colors, we've uncovered the fascinating science beneath our skin, from the role of melanin to the influence of evolution. We've explored how these factors have shaped the diverse skin color palette in the United States, a country often referred to as a melting pot of cultures and races. Remember, this diversity is not just a testament to our evolutionary journey, but also a reminder of the beauty that lies in our differences. We're all threads in an intricate tapestry, each of us contributing to the rich, colorful pattern that is humanity. So, let's embrace this diversity. Let's foster a culture of acceptance and understanding where every shade is celebrated. Let's celebrate the beautiful tapestry that makes up humanity. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video if you found it informative and enlightening.